Hi everyone, I'm Toib and I'll be presenting on cloud computing on AWS Introduction to Amazon S3. Firstly, let's take a look at the concept of cloud computing on AWS. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. That is, IT resources such as compute, storage, databases, and network are made available over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing, which means you pay only for what you use. Cloud computing is emerging with a great demand, and it has become indispensable to businesses and organizations to stay competitive. Why? This is because of the great benefits cloud computing has over traditional computing. The most important of all these benefits to businesses are agility, resilience, and cost optimization. Agility means services are deployed very quickly and their resources are accessed within minutes at a fraction cost. Resilience, with cloud computing, businesses can mitigate disruptions, and in the event of service failures, cloud computing is efficient during recovery. Cost optimization, with cloud computing, you pay only for what you use, which is in contrast to traditional computing where there is always upfront expenses. Cloud computing on AWS provide access to technology services such as compute power, storage, databases, and network, which are the general use cases of cloud computing. Resources are accessed over the internet and you pay only for what you use. You can choose from hundreds of AWS services to help build your solution, which takes us to the core concept of this presentation. One of the fundamental AWS services, Amazon Simple Storage Services, Service S3. What is S3? Amazon S3 is a service that provides object-level storage. S3 stores data as objects in buckets. The object consists of the data, metadata, and a key. Data can be an image, a video, a text document, or any type of data. Metadata consists of the information about the data, how the data is used, and so on. A key is a unique identifier of the data. Bucket, on the other hand, is where the objects are stored. When an object is placed into a bucket, a unique version ID is created and assigned to it. The combination of a unique version ID and a bucket key uniquely identifies each object. So, what makes S3 outstanding? Storage classes. Storage classes. S3 has a variety of storage options which can be used for different use cases and purposes. For example, S3 intelligent tiering, which is ideal for data with unknown or changing access policies. Unlimited storage. S3 offers unlimited storage. The maximum file size of an object in an S3 is 5 terabytes. Scalability. S3 are scalable. It allows increment and decrement of data storage capacity whenever the business requires it. Security. By default, all S3 resources are kept private, but the resource owner can grant access to public users by creating an access policy. Now, let's go over S3 use cases. S3 can be used as a storage for internet, it can be used for data archiving, it can be used for backup and disaster recovery, and it can be used to host a static website. S3 is easy to use and anybody can use it. Here's a quick run through on how to build a static website using Amazon S3. The first step is to create a bucket to hold the web content. You create a bucket to hold the web content with a set of characteristics like its name, region, and so on. Then you upload the web content into the bucket. The next step is to enable the static website hosting on the S3 bucket you created. Do not forget to set policies on how other people can access the resources on the S3 bucket. Finally, test access to the web page by obtaining the URL to the web page on the Amazon S3. To sum it up, Amazon S3 is one of AWS most popular infrastructure. It is easy to use, highly durable, highly scalable, and integrate with majority of AWS services. Thank you.